Parents, I just wanted to give you a quick little video. These are all posted below this video. I just wanted to walk you through them. I know this is a lot of information, but this is the best we can do right now. We're all trying our very best, and I will be there to help you every step of the way. So tomorrow, Wednesday, September 23rd, is our fluency test. So we can't have the whole class take the test at the same time. So I have had to break them up into the morning and the afternoon. So everyone will log in at 9:15 for about 15 minutes, the whole class during my Google Meet, as usual, and I'm going to go over this with them as well. Unfortunately, they can't click on the testing apps while we're in the Google Meet. That's why I wanted to send you guys this video now. So at 9:45, Brielle, Rayhan, Brianna, Fila, Delicia, Chantal, Edric, Satal, Jamina, Yari, Paris, and Axel Meyer Cabrera will take their test. Okay, so after we log out of morning meeting, they will go ahead and into their fluency test. The fluency test is not as long as the other 2 days, so it should be pretty quick. Their username and password, their username right here is their student ID number. Okay, so I'm going to send another message out with those in case you haven't been using that yet. And then their password will be NWEA, all capital. Same thing for the afternoon group. Abdullahi, Dilan, Alexander Amani, Kareem, Amaris, Kaylee, Axel, Martinez Marino, Corey, Louise, Major, Miguel, and Katrina. They will start their test around 12:30. Okay, it is important that they stay in the test the whole time. It can end their test early if they don't complete it in one sitting. And then I would have to go back in and restart their test. So I know it's very hard to sit for a while, but please try and have them take it in one sitting so that they don't have to keep going in and out. And I will be available via Class Dojo and text the whole day if needed. Thursday, September 24th, is our reading growth test. So this will be on this app. Okay, so tomorrow is the map reading fluency. It's on this orange app on the iPad, and that's their login. Thursday and Friday, they're going to use that little gray NWEA testing app. Okay, on their schedule is the same, so they're still going to take it if they're in the first group at 9:45, second group 12:30. The username, which is the testing session. Okay, so when you log into that app, it'll say testing session. They're going to type in, or you're going to type in all lowercase, or session name. It'll say Farrell Fall Reading. Password, I can't generate it until that morning, so I'm going to send it out on Class Dojo. I know it's very frustrating, but you have to generate it that day. It'll be a 4-digit number, so I will send that out to you, and that's what you'll type in for session password. Okay, and then on Friday is the math. So same schedule. We will not meet in the morning. I'm giving the whole day to finish testing and all the Canvas assignments that they have due as well. And their username or test session name will be Farrell Fall Math. And then same thing, I have to generate that password that morning, so I'll send it out to you. It's a 4-digit number, and I'll send that out to you that morning. Okay. Here, I've also posted this below. This is just a quick check that you can do for tomorrow or in the morning before your test. Here's a little practice test. This isn't really important. I just wanted to put it there just in case you want it. It's just 5 practice questions to get them used to what the test looks like. This is the readiness check to make sure that your iPad's all good, which all of yours should be. And then again, this is the same information. I just put it on here as well. Okay. You also have this below, which I sent out yesterday or the day before, with all the directions in English and in Spanish. Remember, even though you're sitting there with students, don't read anything on the test to your student. No directions, no questions, no answer choices. Don't help them with questions anyway, like, telling them how to sound out the word or, helping them get to the answer. We really want their test scores to be accurate to where they are so that we know as teachers where they need to grow to. Okay, so please don't help them at all unless they're having a hard time getting in and out of the test, anything like that. But anything that has to do with the content in the test, please don't help them because we want to see accurate data. And it's okay if they're low or they're high or wherever they are. We just want to see where they are. It does say that headphones are a great idea. If you have them, that's awesome. If not, it's not a big deal. Just try to find a spot in your house for them so that they can focus on the test. Okay? If you do have any issues, you can send them to me through Class Dojo or my email or text me, and I will do my best to get on each problem as I can. But yes, you can click the start of the assessment. You can show them how to click the next button and all of those things. And you know, if they're just going through and clicking all of the answers just to finish it, tell them to slow down, all right, and really listen to the question. And that's pretty much all I have. So make sure you those two apps are good to go. Again, tomorrow you're going to use this orange map reading fluency, and then Thursday and Friday you're going to use this NWEA testing app. Okay? Please message me if you have any questions, and I will see all of your students in the morning to go over this with them. And I look forward to seeing them. Thank you.